Yesterday we have read chapter number 3, transformation of sentences, and I will give you the homework to complete exercise A. I hope you have all done this exercise. So today I will give you the solutions of these exercises, how you have to change this declarative statements into interrogative sentences. Now we will read forward from imperative to interrogative. How we will change the imperative sentence to interrogative. An imperative sentence can be changed into an interrogative sentence and vice versa. We can change imperative sentence into interrogative sentence and vice versa means opposite. We can change interrogative sentence into imperative also. For example, stop talking. It is imperative sentence. So what we will write in interrogative? Will you stop talking? Question mark. Please get me a glass of water. It is imperative sentence. It seems some request. So how we will write out in interrogative? Will you get me a glass of water, comma, please, question mark. In this way we will complete this transformation. In the same way we have to complete exercise B. Change the sentences as instructed. Here the instructions are given in the brackets. We have to change the sentences according to it. First one is come here. We can change this sentence into interrogative. So what we will write? Will you come here? Question mark. And it is a great victory. Change into interrogative. How we will write down this sentence into interrogative? So you all try this exercise at your home, and in the same way I will show you the answers of solution B after some time. Okay, first you try it. Now we will read the next part, that is on page number 12. From affirmative to interrogative. Now how we will change the sentence from affirmative to negative. An affirmative sentence can be changed into a negative sentence with a change in its meaning. We can change the meaning. For example, my sister lives in Goa. It is affirmative sentence, and while we will add not in the sentence, it makes it negative. My sister does not live in Goa. This is present indefinite tense. In the affirmative we will use S or ES. We will use S or ES with the subject that is singular, and in the negative sentence we use with the singular subject does not along with the only first form of the verb. I have many friends. It is affirmative, so what will write? I have no friends. It is negative. It means that it changes its meaning while changing from affirmative to negative. And affirmative sentence can be changed into a negative sentences without changing its meaning. So we can also change affirmative sentences into negative, but we can't change the meaning. For example, using not plus prefixes, we can use not and